Flag usage for multibranch logic. I need to do something like this. I.e., depending on the flag value, it will be true in some cases. For example, I may need to perform an operation for all possible cases, or only for 2 of them. Like this example here. I tried to use flag from the enum module in the standard library, guessing it could help me in this case, but either I don't understand how it works, or I must achieve my goal in a different way.
Note, see Ethan Furman's answer for the proper Pythonic approach to this problem. This answer explains how to check for flag inclusion with bitwise operators, which are useful in other situations and other programming languages. To check for flag inclusion in a value, you should use bitwise operators, specifically AND. The AND operator works by returning which bits are the same in the 2 supplied values. In your enum definition, auto supplies the values y equals 1, m equals 2, d equals 4, which in binary are 0001, 0010, and 0100 respectively. The combination values then contain a bit from each flag they contain, formed by the OR operator, for example md equals 0010 or 100 equals 0110. In the above code then, where wiseness is 0110, the following and checks are made.
The built-in way to check for flag membership is with the standard Python in operator. And your final example would be
Flush is done. Please leave Moshi as a code